My dad said something to me after the divorce. He said every soldier has two families, those you raise and those you raise hell with. I've spent 8 days here. 8 days commanding a squad I wasn't ready to lead. 8 days watching my men, my family, be killed. 8 days wishing it would stop.
Baker! You okay, Baker? It's coming! Shit! Watch 6, can you hear me? Can you fucking hear me? Watch 6 is a spot 3! Answer me, damn it! Son, protect anyone! We need armor now! Hello? Hello? Shit! Anyone there? I need armor support now! I need right now! Shoot it! No one breaks through! George! So keep George! The fire! Come on, man! Don't die! Hang in there! Leggett, where's the goddamn armor? He's gonna die! We're all gonna die! Fucking radio! Ah! Damn it! Fucking gross bastards! Oh shit, they got tanks! We gotta get the hell out of here! We're not falling back! Get down, this is gonna be bad! You want me? Fucking take me! Take me! Baker!
I never asked to be squad leader, but I had no choice. Now I've got 13 soldiers under my command. 13 men depending on me to make the right decisions and not get them killed. 13 families relying on me to bring their husbands and sons home. 13. 13 is not a lucky number.
Stand up! Hook up! Check your equipment! Remember, this squad sticks together! Once you hit the ground, find Baker! Sound off! 13 okay! 12 okay! 310! Let's get the hell out of here! We gotta jump, son! We wait for the green light! We wait any longer, there won't be a fucking green light! Baker! Stand in the door!
I never asked to be squad leader.
Baker! Where the hell's all your gear? Well, shit. Take my .45 and shoot anything that's wearing gray.
Den brauchen wir uns, glaube ich, keine Sorgen mehr zu machen.
Ob
Da noch mehr sind?
There's a couple of houses here. I'm gonna try and figure out where the hell we are. I don't know where the hell we are, but I sure as shit don't want to stay here with all these crowds about. Let's move, Baker. I'll cross first. Cover me. Flash! Thunder! Who's there?
Oh shit! Mac and Baker! I thought it was lost.
Quiet. Keep your voice down or the whole goddamn German army will show up. There'll be plenty of time to reminisce later.
Anybody know where we are?
No idea.
I'll find out. Stay put. Hello, je suis American. Americans! What town is this? Any of y'all know French? I can't understand a goddamn word she's jabbering.
I speak a bit, sir.
Then get your ass over here, son.
Pouvez-vous nous dire où nous sommes? She says we're just northeast of St. Mary-Église.
Damn it! Well, we're heading in the wrong direction. I'm gonna see if I can gather some more guys. Y'all head that way, through the gate, and link up with anyone else you find as you head east. Stay alive. That's an order.